G'day, I'm Aaron, and I just wanted to do a quick intro to my garden and show off some of the tools, the main tools. It's wire and pliers with a little bit of fishing gear. So that's what I grow most of my Tillandsias on. Big plants, small plants, even plants that aren't growing on them are somewhat attached with wire somewhere, and a little bit of glue. And then in the rest of the toolkit is some pre-made hooks, and makes it nice and easy when you're mounting plants up to have the hooks made ready to go. Some labels, and some light grade hooks. And I've just gotten onto using these wire ties here for putting name tags onto plants. So highly recommend getting something that's reliable with a little bit of metal in it so it doesn't fall apart and rust when you start fertilizing. And they're the tools that I use in my garden. Cheers.